another tragic effect of COVID-19. Researchers believe the pandemic is causing a sharp increase in suicides among teens. Good evening, I'm Latricia Thomas.
And I'm Josh Rowe. Young people have faced uncertainty with things like school and whether they'll be able to hang out with friends like normal again. And we are learning that's causing teens and kids here at home to feel anxiety and depression.
Stephanie LaChance spoke to one suicide survivor who's urging parents to take their child's mental health seriously.
Working and doing school from home can come with its new set of challenges and stressors. One suicide attempt survivor I spoke to today says that although times are difficult right now, it's important to look at the positives.
Well, I'm a suicide survivor.
Abby Madewell is 14, and last year she tried to take her own life.
I broke my spine and my pelvis, so I had to have reconstruction surgery.
It took 3 months for her to recover. She was treated at Park Ridge Valley, but right now she says,
I'm doing a lot better.
She says she was diagnosed with depression at 8, and the pandemic has added new challenges.
It's been really hard, especially with school, like being online.
She says the lack of social interaction from the pandemic has made it challenging to feel connected to others. Kristen Smith is a licensed professional counselor with Park Ridge Valley.
It's extremely important that they be able to develop relationships with their peers, to develop relationships with adults.
The CDC conducted a survey back in June, and 1 out of 4 people between the ages of 18 and 24 said they contemplated suicide. But Smith says it's hard to say the exact number of teens struggling.
So while we don't have really definitive numbers or data yet on suicides, we do suspect that they are up.
They already know that.
Suicide actually has been increasing among ages 10 to 24 for a really long time.
Madewell volunteers with the Tennessee Suicide Prevention Network, and they've noticed some changes.
We were seeing an increase in that a little earlier in the pandemic.
Madewell says that we all need to hold our head up and reach out if we need help.
I'd say just try to be as positive as you can, because even though we're in a world where negativity is the most common thing.
Teens I spoke to today say that although life has been challenging, especially with changing your routine, it's also important to break the stigma around mental health. If you need immediate help right now, text TN to 741-741. Reporting live in Chattanooga, I'm Stephanie LaChance, News Channel 9.
Stephanie, thank you. And again, if you or someone you know needs help, you can also call the Suicide Prevention Hotline. That number is on your screen right now. Someone is available to take your call 24 hours a day.